audio finesse, sound clarity, enriching the audio and visual experience of any environment. That is what electronics and engineering has been delivering for generations. There is more than meets the ears when it comes to clear and crispy sound for me. I believe in any AV presentation, and especially in cinemas, a good sound system enhances a total movie experience. I was born into this business. My father, a visionary of his time, set up the company and continuously pushed the boundaries of professional audio visual reinforcement in cinema hall and performing art theaters. Back then, there were no digital software or instruments to measure sound quality or detect irregularities. It trained my ears and eyes to strive for good equalized sound and visual experience. That is the personal touch that clients value to this day, aside technological advancements. For us, installing more speakers on a wall does not mean better sound. It is about correct speaker locations for directionalism and clarity. In an orchestra setting, with the right choice of speakers in the correct locations, as well as with good room acoustics, one can hear the full spectrum of sound with this first harmonic, which is normal. But to hear the second and third harmonics through the speakers, that is audio finesse. I teach my son and staff to strive for such standards and excellence.
Building on the foundation that founder Mr. Goh Kyok Chuan laid for electronics and engineering in 1951, his son Ronald Goh and grandson Gary Goh have progressed from installing single-speaker systems in cinemas to complex audio-video systems for megastructures and small institutions alike. Servicing more than a dozen countries worldwide, they have expanded from their office in Outram Road with the opening of a new warehouse and logistics center at Tuas in January 2016. This 3,000 square meters of space will better coordinate operations between branch offices in Indonesia, Malaysia and India.
No project is too big or small for us. Yes, we install and service mega structures, but that doesn't mean clients from smaller institutions get lesser quality. We stand true to our mission statement to offer the best services and expertise in our line of work, getting it right the first time, and striving for complete customer satisfaction.
Getting it right the first time may sound like a tall order for structure-wide acoustic balance, but the team is technically trained to handle each client's needs with meticulous attention and round-the-clock assistance for all levels of complexity. Their consistency in quality control is enabled by state-of-the-art technology and test equipment, as well as a team that keeps themselves abreast with the latest technological advancements. The system design software they use helps assess the sound environment to eliminate costly mistakes and reduce installation time. It assists designers by graphically displaying accurate predictions of acoustics and sound system performance in real-world environments.
I always like to use the analogy of the car and the road to represent the speakers or sound system to the acoustic environment where it is being used. To explain how interrelated they are, we can design and install the best sounding speakers in the world. But if you do not have the right acoustics in that space or auditorium, it is not going to work. It will be like running a sports car on a country gravel road and expecting the sports car to perform.
As system integrators, they function as designers, engineers, installers, and distributors. Their vast experience enables them to choose from a whole audio and distribution chain to find the best fit for each client's needs. Besides being system integrators, Electronics and Engineering also serves as a distributor of various reputable brands of audio equipment, such as EAW, Shure, Allen & Heath, PowerSoft, and Mackie. These professional sound products represent the brands that are well-renowned for reliability and performance. Their products include complex wireless microphone systems, digital mixing consoles, signal processing equipment, professional loudspeakers, media servers, and power amplifiers. Accompanying their audio services, they design and supply large-screen LED video displays for both indoor and outdoor venues. One recent significant project completed was their system design at the Singapore Sports Hub. boasting a distributed event sound system for the stadium, as well as two 10-meter-long LED screens and ribbon displays stretching 150 meters wide along both the stadium's seating fascia. Their work in the Sports Hub in 2012 was a further testament to their maintenance of high quality through the years, as it was more than 40 years ago that Mr. Ronald Goh co-designed the audio system for the former National Stadium back in 1973. From analog to digital, E&E has helped define sound reinforcement system standards in Singapore through world-class performing arts theatres like Esplanade Theatres on the Bay, Marina Bay Sands Theatres, Victoria Theatre and Victoria Concert Hall, as well as other megastructures in the region. Maintaining such high standards in what they do is attributed by a close-knit family spirit with good leadership and support of loyal, long-serving staff. They share the same commitment to go the extra mile, not only for their work, but sometimes donating quality sound systems to the community, further supporting their mission to provide good sound to the nation. With the rise in cinema and sound system installations that require custom-engineered solutions to fit into different spaces, they acquired a metalworking workshop that allows them to better undertake the fabrication of speaker clusters and bracketry, lighting truss systems, and other custom designs on a faster turnkey basis.
With the amount of projects we have undertaken in the region, I'm humbled to say it has been very fulfilling to provide the quality of good sound to our clients and their audiences, moviegoers, and congregations, many of whom have grown with us through the years.